Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to switch common badges on Clash Royale. And for this we go to the second collection option and then right here go to collection, and then from here click here on your mystery badges, and then right now you will find here a lot of mystery badges. Now we can click here on show more and then you will find more, but let's say we want to use this badge, then we click here on the 9 to the plus icon and then select for where you want to use it, and then we do save. And then right now when we go to our own profile, let's see, we go to the middle, click on our own name and we scroll down, you will find here the 9 collection. Now we can also, if you can see, go and click on our name and then go to the badges and then click here on this badge and then we do change, and then we can select which one we want to have there. So you have 2 ways how to do this. Hopefully this video helps you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.